Hello everyone, my name is Brand. I'm 17 years old. I'm becoming Catholic, and in today's episode of this vLent series I'm doing, I wanted to read a passage from the Catholic Book of Prayer, so sit down, grab a coffee, and reflect on these words. We have constant need of prayer, therefore, in the same way that we need air to breathe. Prayer holds the key to our true happiness, our perseverance in faith and grace, our strength to avoid falling into sin, and our willingness to bear the weight of sorrows and trials. In a word, prayer holds the key to our eternal salvation. Jesus bade us to pray always. We can put this divine command into action by living constantly in a state of love and adoration toward God, offering Him all our actions and especially our sufferings, seeking to carry out His will by observing the commandments in the Gospel. However, we must also dedicate a few moments of the day exclusively to the Lord, when by entering into intimate communion with Him by means of vocal or mental prayer on the things of God, we can obtain the strength needed for our Christian life. And this is in accordance with the writings of St. Paul in his epistles to pray without ceasing. So what I've recently started doing is wearing my rosary as well as this rosary ring. So I'm just constantly throughout the entire day in a state of meditation, praying throughout the rosary, so that my whole day is a prayer of the rosary. The Blessed Virgin Mary in numerous apparitions has warned us again and again to pray the rosary, to pray. As you're walking throughout your day, going to school or work, just in your heart, just quietly be praying the rosary, moving your fingers across each bead, truly being in this contemplative meditation on the gospel for the entirety of your day to be a prayer of the rosary. So I just encourage you to please take this to the depths of your heart, because as Catholics, people of the first church of Christianity established by Jesus Christ, therefore carrying the fullness of the faith, we more than ever, more than anyone, should take on this practice. So I encourage this for you all. Please do share this video, as this is a message of urgency for all people of the world. And please do like and subscribe to show your support, as it's appreciated. And anyways, till next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Ave Maria.